everyone, and welcome back to API Test Hub. This is part 3 of our Spring Boot application series. In the last video, we saw that how we can use a post request to create our products. In this video, we will be creating a GET request which will be used to get the details of all the products. So let's get started. Let's create another HTTP method for our products application, that is a get method, which we will be using to get the product details. So it will be used for getting all the product details. Whichever product we will be adding in our application, we can get those products using this particular HTTP method request. So let's get started. First of all, as I already told, this controller class will act as a primary interface. So here we will be writing our initial code where the HTTP methods we will be declaring. So let's get started. We will be creating one method and it will be returning a list of products. So as I told that this method we will be using to get back all the products. So either it be a 10, 20, how many products it will be. So we will be getting back with this particular method. So we will pass our products entity to this particular list as we are getting back the details of our product, right? So and I'll name it as get products, and inside this what I want is I want to get back the product. So the logic I'll be writing in the service layer, right? So before doing that, I need to annotate it in a some way that my application will understand that this particular method is will be acting as a get method. To do so, what you have to do is just use this get mapping annotation at the rate get mapping and just pass whatever endpoint you want to make. So I'll be making as add slash products. So the whole endpoint will be my domain name slash API slash products. And what it will be returning? It will be returning the products list, and that products list will be coming from my service layer. So let's create that method which will be giving us the list of the product. So in my service, what I'll do is, I'll create one method which is returning list of products, and I can name it as find products. And inside this, what I will be returning is from my repository whatever products are there, right? So what I can do is this repository interface, what it gives us a number of inbuilt methods which will be acting as a, like, we can use it just right away and we can get our functionality done. So this find all function, it will provide us all the products inside that repository. So that is the only thing you need to do, like in this repository, just use this inbuilt function find all. It will provide you all the products in the repository. So this is all done. Now just you need to do is you need to call this function from products. So we already have our object here, service object. What I'll do is it will give me in the options as well that you can call this find products here. So you can see it here, like my this particular method in controller, it is calling service class method to find the products, and inside my service method what I have done is I have just called this inbuilt function find all. So now we can run this application and let's see how it is going through. So let's run this application in my local, and once it's running we can see that how it's getting back our results. So it will, we can see it here that it will, yeah, so it got started at port 8080. So now let's go to Postman. So I have created a new collection for my products API, and inside that I have created one endpoint, one API as a add create product, what I will do, I'll just give the this is my request body. So first product I'm adding is a water bottle. So let's run it. So yeah, so it is being added with ID 1. So let's add another product, maybe laptop, and let's price it as $1,200, and maybe the color is blue. Let's add this product as well. So the second product is already added. Now we have two products in total in our application, right? Now what we have to do is we just created one another endpoint, that is a get endpoint. So let's create that here to test that. So add a request, and what we just given the name was till the products. This was the total request URL we have made. So this API was in our request controller and this products was in our get mapping. So that was the total endpoint. This is the domain name, and what you have to do is just send it, and let's see. Yeah, we are getting back all the results. So this was the only thing you need to do to get back the results from our product application. So this is, as of now, this application is quite straightforward. No headers being passed, no additional headers being passed, no authentication being used. So this is just a simple one as of now. We will make it complex by going forward. So as of now, just do it as it is so that you can understand how the things are flowing. And I want to show you one more important thing. I'll make another video as well in detail. So if you see it scripts here, right? So what we can do is we can add one snippet here as well to verify. So what you can do is go to the scripts, and in the post response, once you get the response back, right, go to this snippet, and you can see it here. There are multiple inbuilt snippets here. You can use them to verify your response code. So we will use this one, status code is 200. So what it will do is, so this is like automating your response code validations, right? So what it is doing, it's a JavaScript code, and it is verifying that whatever response you are getting back, is it 200. So if it is 200, then you can see that in the test results you will see it's okay and passed. So let's do it. So you can see it here, it's 200, okay, and you see it here, test results. Go there and you can see that your test is passed. So you can write and automate your test in your Postman as well using these scripts. So this is just an overview. I'll create another full-fledged like video on this, how you can write the scripts, what are the prerequisites, and what all things you can do through these post responses in the upcoming videos. I just want to show you here as just an overview. So I'll rename this as my get all products and save it. So this was all about getting your products back. So we have covered creating a product, getting a product details, and in the upcoming video, I'll be doing the delete part and the update part. So stay tuned and keep learning. That was all about in this video. Thank you so much.